Rồi. Sao giờ? Không có bằng không? Không phải xịt alcohol lắm nha.
Được không? Được không? Được không? Hết rồi thôi là em với còn đi với tổng hợp ta bán đồ bị tính em á cầm lên câu không mà trời ơi nó vật cái ly nó quay vòng mà hết nó không ngã phải dưới siêu thị chữ ít nè, nó chữ gì nha, ít nè, chữ ít nè, nó chữ gì nha, chữ ít nè.
Sao đâm vô chảy như vậy?
Đầu mũi kèm của anh, đầu Mình cứ điện cũng buồn hết ha. Giờ này nó cứ nhoi gì khoảng hai nó làm gì.
Đừng lo chút rồi.
Qua ngồi xé không chịu 5 ngón 6 ngón luôn.
Đó, rồi kìa. Hey, good morning.
Hey, good morning. How's it going?
Kind of down at the moment. Shorting Amazon is not going. I'm shorting NCLH is kind of going.
Amazon. Okay.
I short MOVL, but now it's going against me. So
Oh. Yeah. Interesting.
yeah.
Well, I guess we'll see what happens. On Amazon, I did a short on it, but it was for a scalp. Level 1 off the 2-minute.
Yeah.
So I quickly, just Fridays are scalping days for me. I think that the market tends to be a little bit more irrational.
Yeah.
I did that, scalped that. I did a PayPal short. I got a nice little scalp on that. One bar move, or no, sorry, 2-bar move. I did a level 1 INTC on a 5-minute. And got a 1-bar move on that. And then, just did a Reddit short as well.
Okay.
I think Tesla's gonna sell off. Just one shot down. Your little scalp. Oh, another PayPal short right here, 3-bar play. Here's a team, TIEM. Looks good for a short.
Apple can be a short?
Yeah. Apple's above the moving average, but if you feel like it's going to roll over, then, you could definitely have it. TIEM just triggered short. Okay, Tesla's going. And Tesla's about to crack the low of day. And there we go. Can I get out of Tesla? That was a little scalp right there. Oh, probably should have held, but oh well. SMCI looks like another short, possibly. Gonna trade under yesterday. This is gonna trade under here. Probably gonna be a short again.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like it's creating a channel underneath yesterday's range. So that's definitely a sign of bearishness. PayPal. Apple looks good for a long. Off the level 1 here, but it's not ready yet. SMCI looks good for a short too. Just gotta wait for it to crack the low here. Yeah, I think we're gonna crack the low on SMCI. We're almost there.
Take a long on MRBL.
MRBL. Nice. Okay.
Maybe long on Apple and Amazon.
Yeah, I mean, Apple's stuck between the 200 period moving average and then something else, but I think it could go. You could buy it for a long, up to the 200. Okay, SMCI, come on, buddy. Yeah, looks good.
Oh, Nike could be a long.
Oh, okay. All right, I got the SMCI on the level 1, and I'm going to add to it underneath the low of day. PayPal looks like it's going up for a little bit. Maybe test the VWAP. There we go. Come on, SMCI, keep going.
Dang, how far can SMCI go?
I think you go really low, but we'll see. I mean, today might be a pause day. Got support right at the lows here. So, good idea to take it off on the pivot.
Yeah.
And if it cracks the low, then you can get back in. I'm going to...
Apple is not really going.
Yeah, I was going to wait for a level 1 on that 5-minute on Apple, but I think we're going to roll over.
Yes, so.
Looks like we want to they want to test Apple underneath the moving average here. Yeah, that's a pretty good sign that it's going to probably go and retest the low.
Yeah, retest the low.
Oh, here comes SMCI. Okay, broke the low. Let's see if it has a new low failure. Reddit looks good for a short again. A little lower on Reddit. All right, I got the SMCI. Let's see if we can get this move even lower. Team looks good for short, lower. And just kind of let these things play out. Apple, I think, could possibly go lower. It could go higher too. Here. There we go. There goes SMCI. Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, I'm just going to keep holding on. Hopefully we can get through 27. And then maybe back down to 20. Oh, it looks like Apple, they want to take it higher. Here we go. So I'll try it. Gonna get out of the Apple here. Hold on to SMCI.
Nike triggers me in.
Nice. PayPal looks great.
Team could be a more to the downside. Team.
Team. Yeah, I'm in team. Same with Reddit. Come on, buddy. Keep going. Keep going. I won't let SMCI take out this red bar. There we go. Okay, I'm going to go long on Apple here. It's a 2-minute level 1. We'll see what happens. Looks like it's going up. Alright. Team's going at the low. Is it going to roll over here? Tesla looks like wants a little lower. There we go. Come on, keep going, SMCI. There we go. That's a nice, big, strong move on SMCI.
Yeah.
All right.
I wish I'm in that.
That's okay. It's all, you get some and you don't get some. It's part of life, Part of the whole thing. Team looking good. All right. Took a partial on this SMCI here. I think we're going to get a pullback, retest the breakout point, and I can get back in more shares again. Team, probably a good idea to take a partial here. New low.
Yeah.
Apple, I think, is just going to stall out. Probably go sideways. That's why I just think level 1s just get out. It's quick scalps. Kind of want to try short on Amazon here. This level 1 right here. And then if it fails, just flip it long. It looks like a good long setup, but it's also kind of extended.
I thought about doing that. That was also that one.
Yeah. It's still above the moving averages, so, nothing to do yet. Let's see here. Marvel, MRVL looking good. Still going up. Fairly nice. Reddit looks good for more lower prices. SMCI, good exit on that trade. I think it's coming back up, and then we'll see if support turns into resistance. That'll be the true test. Let's see if it can do it. Support can turn into resistance right here. Should come up to about this area, and then if we roll over again, then we got a move. Let's see, Amazon sideways. PayPal, I'm thinking about flipping long if it cracks over this 77. All right, I'll try it long. Let's see if we get a move back up to the 78 here. Apple looks better. Yeah, Apple looks good. We're heading right into pivot here, but could be a long still. See if Apple can squeeze. Come on, Apple. There we go. Apple squeezing to new highs. That's good.
Yeah.
Reddit looks good. Reddit's almost at the low, but it looks good for continuation. Come on, Reddit. Get down to the low, baby.
So you short Amazon? Amazon.
I did, yeah, I shorted Amazon.
Right,
but it's not like the best setup, so I'm just warning you.
Yeah, it'll be my third time buying Amazon, so.
Yeah, it's tricky. Look at that, I'm glad I got out of SMCI. Look at that, right back up, no, Okay, Amazon looks great. I think now that it cracked the 20,
yeah.
Let's see if we can get, target's going to be back down to the, pivot. And Reddit looks good for more lower.
Yeah, that's good.
PayPal, that was a good exit on my short. I think it's going back up now. Okay, Amazon needs to see a big bleed. All right, I'm up 5 Rs for the day.
Nice.
Yeah, so between Apple, Amazon, PayPal, Reddit, Team, Tesla, SMCI, and INTC.
Nice.
Those are all pretty good trades. It didn't have any losing trades except Apple when I tried the short. And if you notice, that was the stupidest short. Because even though we were triggering a level 1 underneath the previous bar, we're going right into the 23 moving average. So that's what you get when you kind of fumble the ball a little bit on that. But I think I'm going to call it a day because I don't want to,
Yeah.
5 R on a Friday. It's a pretty good, pretty good trading day. I think Team still goes lower, but I got out of Team on that new low. Because I just figured new low failure, and then we did get the green bar, which I was right about. Yeah. It happened right afterwards, but I guess I could have stayed in because it didn't really go over that green bar. Oh man, I wonder if I got out of Amazon too soon. Look at that. It's probably gonna
Yes, still going.
You're going down. It's crazy to think though. All I was doing today was taking 1 or 2 bar moves, and by taking 1 or 2 bar moves, I was able to make 5 Rs because the accuracy was so high. And also, I mean, some of the moves were big on the bars. You know, like SMCI was a really big move. Oh my gosh! I think we're gonna have a market's going up.
Okay, come on, Amazon.
Yeah, Amazon's looking at how are you doing today so far?
Red at the moment, 3R. Down 3R.
That's not bad.
Still not too
3R
bad.
is like, you know,
Yeah.
it's not too bad. Not too bad at all.
Amazon is the one that's kind of like lose the most because it's my 3rd time trying on it.
Yeah. Well, keep in mind, if you look to the left, you got support right around here too.
Yeah, definitely.
So there's support here, and if it's gonna hold the gap and not, you know, sell off, then it's probably gonna be maybe a sideways choppy thing's gonna happen.
Yeah.
But that being said, that's kind of cool because now you kind of have that idea, like, okay, well, I got support here, got resistance to the above. Maybe I should, go long, and then go short, and then go long and go short. Just basically play in this channel. Can you believe the people that bought Tesla, thinking that was it? It was going to keep going. It's giving back almost all its gains on that. Yeah. But I think it's eventually going to find support right here. It makes sense. Kind of wouldn't even mind trying to pick it up as a swing trade around here. Let's see, we got 48. Yeah. Okay, you got a level 1 happening on SMCI, but the move up was just as strong as the move down, so that's not a good sign. You know, you don't want to see that pullback happening in just one bar. That's might be too strong. Might be too strong. Okay. Well.
No, come on. MLBL, keep going.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Yeah, looks like it might fail on me.
Oh, look at the level 1 on PayPal right here.
Ah.
I don't like the pullback though. The pullback was really choppy. Like it went red, green, you know, kind of like, so I would probably pass on this level 1 and then wait for a secondary entry. And look, I was glad I passed on the level 1 on SMCI. Look.
Yeah. Wow.
Because the bar was just too strong. That pullback was too strong. It wasn't accurate with the price action that would mean lower prices. Although PayPal isn't that bad. I guess you could short it, give yourself a pretty wide stop loss, and you'd probably be safe.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, you got the gap. Yeah, looks like, you know, could work. Buyers are coming in strong on Apple. We just broke the 200.
I know.
So,
yeah,
that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Amazon coming back up.
Yeah, Amazon looks like it's found some buyers as well right here. Level 1 off the 2 minute.
Yeah, I'm gonna get out in the 2 minute.
Reddit also found buyers right at the lows, right here, double bottom.
Yeah.
Looks like buyers are going to come back into the market here. Reddit just level 1 just now. Team you could probably go long on here. It's against the moving average, but if you believe that the market is going to push things back up, then it's not a bad level 1. I'll probably try it, just small shares. Needs to get over that pivot. Let's see, is Apple gonna keep going, fill the gap, and then keep going? I'm gonna take SMCI off my charts. Meta, okay, down at the low. Ooh, okay. PayPal, doing the level 1 right here. Yeah, I think it looks like the market wants to go higher today, so, we might...
It's still inside there, so it doesn't really make money yet.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Well, let's see what Apple does. If Apple keeps pushing higher, closes the gap, and then gets over that red bar from yesterday, that'll be the sign that, hey, markets are going up now. Let's see here. What do I want to do? There we go. Take a little off on Tesla here. Scalped it. Knowing that the markets are bouncing. Got a double bottom. Okay, you could take a long on, yeah. Or what's going to happen is we're going to sit in a range after this big, strong move and just basically range bound for a while. That's, I think, maybe even a more likely scenario,
Yeah.
A range bound kind of stuff happening. I could see that happening with Tesla today. Like, see this narrow range that it has right now so far on the daily? Way smaller than yesterday's range. I could see literally it going nowhere all day, just testing the top of the range, testing the bottom of the range, that kind of thing.
Yeah.
And the 20-period moving average having no, and VWAP having no significant on the trade,
Yeah.
Basically, it's just, there we go. All right, I exited all my Tesla. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're going to have crazy follow through on like Amazon to the downside, and I don't think we're going to have much more follow through on other stocks to the upside. So it might just be a sort of a checkmate or stalemate or whatever. Let's see here.
I don't know, teams seem to be not going up, huh?
Not going up, but not going down. You know what I'm saying? It's like for instance, look at Meta. It's kind of going up now. Amazon's going up on that 1 bar. Tesla's going up on that 1 bar, like level 1. So the level 1s to the upside are now being triggered. Apple's the only one to me that looks like it stands out as a completely, just probably the only thing that's pushing the market up,
Yeah.
Because it's the one that's going up. I mean, I think I took a swing trade on Tesla just now on my Webull account, so hopefully it works. I got it at 250.
Yeah.
So I'm going to hold on to this and maybe aim for one of those prior tops, like 260 as a target, maybe by next week. But I could see that, look what happened to PayPal. The level 1 failed right away.
Yeah.
Because the pullback was so choppy.
Yeah. Still haven't topping out yet, but
Okay, yeah. Well, you might be safe over that topping tail. Guess it just depends on how hard the market keeps pushing, you know?
yeah.
Like this Apple trade, I'm kind of sad that I got out. I got out right when it hit the 200 period moving average, and now it's still going. And if it becomes a shock gap and keeps going and keeps going and keeps going, I'm going to be like, it's going to be another one of those EL trades.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, that was so funny because after we called the top of that move,
yep,
that was it.
that was it.
It never got back to there again. And it even set up some great shorts afterwards. And most notably, it set up a long and a short. It set up the long just like we thought at VWAP, right?
Yeah.
And then it got all the way up to the 20 period moving average, which was now above it on the 5 minute. Set up a level 1 to the downside. Retested the VWAP. Set up a level 1 again. Came back up to the 20, kind of fooled around there, and then broke underneath. And it was just sideways after that. But it had basically 2 more trades in it. So that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna. Please check working orders. I do not have any working orders. Crazy. All right. I'm going to get the new Apple M4 computer.
It's an M4 computer.
Yeah, they got an M4 chip now. It's coming out November 6th or something. It's supposed to be like the fastest, craziest computer ever. I'm going to get it for my trading. And if I need to run any PC programs, I'm just going to run that Parallels thing or whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm going to get that. And then I think eventually I'm going to get rid of my big monitors and get one big curved monitor like that. You know, I want to get something that's an 8K monitor, 8K.
Yeah.
And the reason why is I want to be able to, you know, when you squish things on it, I want it to be able to fit as much as I can and have it still clean, really clean. I found out there's this new technology that Apple computers are also having that basically you can find, I didn't know the name of it, but I think it's some weird thing for screens that makes it so that it has no glare. Which is really important, you know? Like, so if you have like a bunch of black charts on your screen, you're not going to have any glare off of it. And it'll make the seeing it a lot easier. Less strain on the eyes and stuff like that.
Because that kind of thing, it's just a matte screen, matte layer over the screen.
That's what I was thinking, but they call it something else. They call it some special name. Like,
you know how Apple is.
Yeah, nanotechnology. Yeah, like, you know, like gooey, like, you know, little nanoball technology or something. You're like, what?
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. Hi. Handsome boy. Good morning. Good morning. You gave me quite a scare last night. You're running after raccoons, huh?
I was trick-or-treating.
Oh, it was cool. We went to the Toluca Lake area, which is, you know, has a lot of Halloween stuff. And there was a lot of crazy Halloween things. There was a guy riding around in an old ice cream truck, like decked out, like looking like really scary. Like he even made his ice cream truck looking really scary, and he was dressed up as a clown from It.
Oh, wow.
I know. I was like, oh my gosh. Like the dedication that people put into Halloween and Toluca Lake is quite spectacular.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy. So yeah, all right. Well, I'm calling it a day. Here's my P&L.
Nice.
162. So whatever that is. Let's see. Wait a minute. It moved 160. Okay, there's no. Okay, I have nothing open. Okay, great. Let me go. More orders. No working orders. Good. Excuse me. Hi, buddy. Good here. Oh. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it a day. Maybe I'll try to find some swing trades to trade, but that'll be it. SMCI move was really great, but it had no follow through. I figured that might happen. You know, we had such a big day yesterday.
Yeah.
I think today is going to be a break the low. I figured we could break the low day and then shoot right back up, and we'll probably play inside this range because I've seen it happen so many times. And I'm thinking, oh yeah, hi buddy, I know.
Amazon is pretty annoying. Putting on level 1 and like, okay, I'll show it again.
Oh yeah, be careful because, you know, if you know, just remember we talked about it's possibly going to just be a chop test, like end the day as a doji bar.
Yeah.
So if you think to yourself like the day is probably going to end as a doji bar, what you should probably not do is try to take continuation trades, but instead take reversals. You know what I'm saying? Like if you think like, hey, the day's going to end sideways, like it doesn't go anywhere. If that's the case, then you need to buy the bottoms, short the tops, not, you know, short and level 1 unless it breaks the top. You see what I'm saying? Like if it clearly breaks the range. Well, actually, here's a better tip for you. Okay, so if you look at Amazon and you think to yourself, this looks kind of choppy. Okay, great. First thing, okay, it's probably going to trade sideways all day. Okay, great. So how do I trade this? I'm going to only, if I want to take a continuation trade, like a trend trade, I should only take a trade when it breaks the range. So let me draw some horizontal lines that are like above the support. You know, clearly there's a support at 200.04, and then there's a support at 197, or sorry, like 197.60 something. So if you draw those supports, you say, okay, so if I want to trade a continuation trade and it breaks those levels, I can go in super small shares with a big wide stop loss, and then look to add on a retest if it has that continuation. But if it ends up being a breakout failure and comes right back into the range, then I didn't lose barely anything. I can kind of get out on a one bar, you know, level 1 kind of trade, right?
Yeah.
Or what you could do is say, okay, since I recognize that it's going sideways, let's play the range. So every time it goes down, I'm going to play level 1. Every time it goes up, I'll play level 1. But it has to get to that top. If it stays in this is where you get into problems when you're playing the range. This is why a lot of people don't like playing the ranges.
Yeah.
Is because if it doesn't get to the top and puts in a level 1, you'll get FOMO and get into the trade short, right? Because you think the 20-period moving average is holding the price. You know what I'm saying? You're thinking the 20-period moving average, when it created that level 1 just now at the 20, you're thinking that's a short. But the thing is, it's not a short. The 20-period moving average is sideways. We want the 20-period moving average to kind of be, you know, rolling down. Like I guess what I'm trying to say is that 20 helps on a trending stock. It doesn't help at all on a sideways stock.
Yeah.
So if you can kind of recognize that, you can keep yourself out of problems, out of trouble. I mean, look at SMCI now, right back up. You know, that's, yeah, over the 20. So, yeah. But that being said, if you know that SMCI is probably going to be a sideways choppy move, then you can, you know, do the same thing. Short the tops, buy the bottoms. Apple is I don't know what Apple's going to do now. Got the green bar.
Yeah, it hasn't stopped me out yet, so hopefully it can keep going.
Yeah, got that pivot. It formed a pivot, so I would just basically put a stop loss underneath this pivot that it just formed. And then if it takes that out, I wouldn't short it, but I would think that that's the end of the move. BA is doing good. I got a swing trade on that. And hopefully it gets over this. If you can get out of this range here and get out into the trend, I'll keep trending it, keep doing it. Let's see. Baba. Let's see. Baba looks good for actually a swing trade now. Starting to get better. Look at these level ones. Only problem is Baba gaps every single night. So how do you manage your risk on that? Because it gaps so much. But if you put in a weekly time frame, weekly chart, it gets rid of those gaps, and you can see that we're putting in a doji bar right here on the weekly. So that's kind of cool. That could be a long. Tesla looks pretty good. Tesla forming that doji bar. So we'll see. Wow, a lot of consolidation sideways. Look at this is the news article from Barron's. It says, "Don't let Tesla's big move fool you. The stock is stuck and will stay that way." Tesla stock rose early, trading Friday gains. However, aren't likely to take shares to a key level traders are looking for. Tesla stock was up 0.6% in pre-market trading. The Dow Jones pre-market trading levels, resistance in terms used by technical market analysis. That describes where investors have sold. Okay. But once closed above, it is in the trend. It's breakout would require 2-week closes. Doesn't look like confirmation will be happening in Tesla. It says Tesla will be trading in a range. That's funny. Well, no problem. You know how to trade a range. How's everything going now?
Not that good. I'm like baking myself. Look at that team coming back up. Amazon.
Don't go too far.
Amazon going to I guess
team looks like a level 1 right here.
Yeah, it looks like it's squeezing.
Yeah, I was waiting for that earlier. It just never triggered. Now it's finally triggered.
Yeah.
But it triggered from a little lower place, which is kind of cool. Your VWAP is going to be your target.
Yeah. Nike is going. SMCI might be pulling back again.
Yeah, just be careful with SMCI now. This seems like the range is a really wide one, and the candles are very big. All right, man. Well, I gotta take off. If I listen to you trade, I'll probably want to trade myself, and okay. I will probably give back my money on the day, considering that we're not getting any trends. You know, you take this level 1 on team, and then watch it. I'll probably just take a bunch of paper cuts.
Yeah. Just close down.
Yeah. It's days like these where it's. Let me take a look at the market really quick, and I'll just want to take a look at that. SPY, wow, okay.
Nice.
SPY is trying to basically erase yesterday's negative red day. We're up at the top. That says this is not good, though. We're up at the top of the SPY, and we're putting in these doji bars. So this may actually pull back to the 8. I could definitely see SPY just staying inside of yesterday's range. Like basically it's retesting yesterday's high, gonna come back down. If it keeps going, that would be really shocking. I just don't see that happening because of the way the price action is coming up. We're coming up into yesterday's range, and we're putting these small little doji bars. So we'd have to maybe base sideways and then shoot up later on after lunch.
Yeah.
But we're also getting into the 11:15 reversal time. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it'll be a new high failure. Yesterday's high breaks the new high and then comes back in. But what's weird is it doesn't have any. You see, the SPY is so much stronger than Apple. Apple broke that pivot just now.
Yeah, Apple coming back down.
Yeah, so that's not good. I don't like to see that. And I don't want to see the SPY so much stronger than Apple. Well, I got my swing trade idea on INTC. If it breaks this, what is it? If it breaks 23.43, I'm going to get in long on INTC with my stop below that, all that consolidation at 21.47. I really like that channel. And then I think target's going to be the gap fill, 28.93. But I can't rush into it now. I mean, it looks really good for a long. But if I rush into it before the channel break, then I could be definitely shocked about it not working. Looks good, though. Hey, buddy. Tesla. Okay. Is Tesla going to squeeze? This might actually squeeze. We'll see. It's a really, really nasty, choppy range. Jeez. That's gross. Maybe it'll keep going. Maybe it'll squeeze this time. All right, man. Well, please be safe. Don't dig yourself too deep. Make sure you have like a stop loss on what you think is a fair amount to lose for the day if you're red.
Yeah.
And if you start making it back too, also consider locking it in.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Oh. Okay, maybe I should exit a little bit on BA. Oh my gosh. Nice. I don't know. Maybe I'll just stay in BA. Forget it. I mean, if it keeps going, it's going to be awesome. It is getting kind of climactic-y, isn't it? I'll let it keep going. Just put my stop loss at break even here on BA now. Wow. Okay, BA is doing great. Nice. Oh my gosh. Okay.
MOBL short looks great.
Nice. Good job. Good job.
Thank you.
Come on, BA. Keep squeezing.
BA is going up.
Yeah, it's going up.
Nice.
I'm up like 70-something bucks on my swing trade.
Nice.
Yeah, I decided to just buy that green candle a couple days ago. But I'm hoping that it keeps going up over and getting over the 20 and then getting over that prior pivot. And I'm trying not to exit. I'm trying not to look at the intraday because this intraday is where if I saw this amount of candles, this is where I'd be taking a partial for sure, intraday. Because I'm expecting a pullback, and sure enough, I'm going to get a pullback.
Amazon is squeezing up. Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay. Okay, well then it's starting to basically
Oh, what the heck?
The market is starting to, yeah. Ooh, Tesla as well. I got my swing trade on Tesla. If it keeps going, I won't exit at all today.
Oh, what the heck?
What is it?
Look at Amazon just dropping like a...
Oh, let me see. Breakout failure.
breakout failure.
Yeah. Oh, man. It's because people are trading that range. They just bought the range.
Yeah.
And then they're selling it. This is why I was saying, you let the range break happen and you wait for a retest. Oh my God. Yeah, that's a sell. That's a sell, a solid sign that we're probably not going to go any higher than 250 for the day on Amazon. Oh, I can see. Okay, look on the weekly chart. You see the resistance? In order for Amazon to continue going, it'd have to make all-time new highs today on a Friday.
Right.
I just don't see that happening. I can see basically it's shaking people out. That's all it's going to do today. Probably going to trade inside this range, 197. So you could short it. You'd probably be safe because it's probably not going to go higher than higher than that all-time highs. I don't think it's going to get there today. If it did, that would be insane. If it did, but I just don't see it happening, especially with that price action like that. That doesn't show conviction. Conviction would be it breaks that channel, shoots up, and then breaks all-time highs. Yeah. All right. Well. I still love you, baby. All right. Fifi, what you doing, bud? What are you doing? What you doing? Just eating yourself? Eating yourself alive?
Eating yourself alive.
These dogs are so silly.
Sounds wonderful, man.
That's my dog eating himself.
Oh, apples keep going. Nice.
Nice. Good job. Well, you'll make back all the loss probably on Apple.
Hopefully. We always have to view what to take a pause.
Yeah. All right. Put a stop loss in some of these things here. What?
What happened?
I don't know. Something weird happened with my platform. like Tesla. I like that it's putting in this green doji bar.
Adding to my Nike long.
Let's see, Nike. Nike looks great. Jeez. I love the level 1 too on the daily chart too that's forming. That's a good swing trade possibly. Let's see. Where are we on support? Interesting. Yeah, looks good. So level 1 probably goes up to 80 from here. Looks pretty good. I like, it's outside day, level 1 for the daily, and it's got right now a level 3 being formed. So it looks pretty good. I think you're in the clear.
Apple doing great.
Yeah, it's doing nice. $160.
Everything kind of working at the moment.
Yeah, nice. How's it going now? Much better?
Oh, better. It's still not break even yet.
What's the damage?
$90.
Okay, $90. Okay. Your R unit's 15?
Yeah.
Alright, okay.
A lot of paper cut, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It's probably just lots of little paper cuts.
Yeah. Nike just stopped now. Wow, Apple is doing great.
Nice. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna fill the gap.
Yeah.
Let's see. Yeah. You got that short?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Look at that. Dang. I did not think that would happen. Well, you know what? Now that I looked at it, there's something I clearly didn't notice until now. Look where Apple got to. So Apple started off in the morning. It's a gap down, right? Starts off in the morning, has a red bar in the pre-market, and then shoots underneath that support, right? Just that tiny little support, but then becomes a solid green bar. So that's your first sign that Apple is pretty strong. Then it goes over the 20, goes over all the moving averages, pulls back, creates a level 1. That's your first sign to get in long. You ride that thing bar by bar, and look what happened. Doji bar at the top at 1020, right?
Yeah.
And look what happened. Doji bar at the top, 1020. And where did it happen? 200 period moving average. So it basically happened at the 200 period moving average. And I don't know if you remember, but remember when I was saying the 5-minute 200 period moving average happens to be the 20 period moving average on the hourly. It's roughly around the same spot. So if you pull up an hourly chart and you look where the 20 period moving average is, that's what we did. We ran up to the 20 on the hourly. We tested it. We couldn't get through it. And we're selling back down to support. So I think that short underneath the level 1 would be correct to do. But what's even cooler about Apple is not only did you get a level 1 short underneath the doji bar, but you get a Hikaki bar too, because the next bar was green, and the next bar, that green bar, broke over the previous red bar's high, right? You hear what I'm saying? TA? Yeah, so it broke over the previous red bar's high, and then from there fell. So that's something to be studied. Something to look at as a price action underneath there, and yeah, nice, very nice. What's going on with INTC? No trigger. Tesla's just choppy sideways. Okay. What's going on with Baba? Baba's just sideways.
Amazon
What's that?
Amazon just so really choppy. It's trigger like maybe like it can break the VWAP and then pull back up, and now it might come back down.
Yeah, I don't know. It's very choppy.
Very choppy.
Hi, bud. Hi. Yeah.
I think Team is doing similar to what EL doing yesterday. Like it might just keep going up.
Which one?
Team.
No. Team.
No, not Team. Sorry. MCLH.
MCLH. Okay, let's take a look. MCLH. MCLH?
Norwegian Cruise Line. MCLH.
Oh, and NCLH. Okay, Norwegian. Okay, so gap down. And it's definitely...
It's gap up yesterday.
Oh. Yeah. Interesting. Underneath the gap, coming back up.
Yeah.
You see that 200 is above it, just like Apple.
It might retest that high of the day.
Yeah. The price action is pretty choppy though.
Yeah.
Look at that, green bars, red bars, green bars, red bars. No follow through. Apple to me looks a lot cleaner. Definitely some follow through.
Yeah.
gonna take off.
Yeah. Good talk today.
Thanks. Yeah. I hope you do well. Make it back.
Yeah,
If not,
it's I'm at like
What's up?
I'm at like $50 at the moment.
Oh, nice.
So let's see if some of these has to follow through. So NCOH is taking long.
Yeah.
Amazon short, I don't know if it's gonna keep going or not. It's so choppy.
Yeah, I would try to find some stocks that aren't being like that. Like, let's see, if I go to my scanner and I just go top percent gainers, top percent losers. Let's see. Okay, go down DJT. Oh,
I know DJT is like going down.
3-bar play right here, but it's at the 20 pure moving average now. That's not a good spot. Okay, let's take a look at AMCR. No. Oh, AES. Interesting. That's a nice gap. It's already kind of moved quite a lot. Reddit is no choppy. SMCI still choppy. You can see how SMCI is just as soon as it hit the top of the range, sold off.
Yeah.
Wow, CTRA. I don't know what that is, but it's an energy stock. That's going bar by bar really clean. PayPal.
Yeah.
PayPal super choppy as well. Gosh, that's not cool. PTON. Yep, choppy. Apple. Is it clean? BMY. That looks clean. BMY looks clean, but it's an inside day. AMD. Looks choppy too. Let's take a look at the gainers. Team, no, underneath, okay, still not good. ASPI. Amazon. Jeez, that's not good. Amazon just chopped.
Oh, Apple and all out. Nice. Okay.
Nice, good job.
There.
Dell. Oh my gosh, what's going on with Dell? Oh, okay, level 1 off the moving average. Dang it, at the top of the range now.
Okay. Oh, what the heck, Apple? He set up again.
Oh yeah.
Yep, looks like Amazon might stop me out.
Okay.
Nope, never mind. Maybe not. This MOVL is like my best trade today.
Nice.
Come on, where's an apple? Look at that huge cotton-tailed apple.
Let's see here. Wow, you got that short?
I was longing it, and then it's like, oh, it's not going, so I'm gonna flip it short and just ride that thing ball by ball.
That's crazy. I would have never thought that in a million years that would have worked that short. You know what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
it's not climactic. It's not up more than 2 or 3 bars.
Yeah.
I would think that you might get a level 1 to the downside, but then it's going to get bought up like right after you get 1 bar move.
You're right.
So if I scalped that with you, I probably would have gotten out right at like the VWAP or even just after the first bar.
I guess the reason why I was not confident, why it worked is that because like today is like a new high day.
Yeah.
And it seems like every time there's a new high, they tend to kind of like take profit or something.
Yeah.
So once that fell, I'm like, okay, I'll just try it short, and it works out great.
Yeah. Hey man, I gotta get running, but
Yeah.
awesome job. Good job at managing your trades and
Thank you.
just if you get back to break even, just call it a day.
Yeah.
Or maybe you'll get a couple hours too.
Yeah, we'll see. Let's see what Amazon want to do.
Yeah. Oh geez, Amazon. All right. Well, we'll talk soon.
Yeah.
You could even take the MRVL along, knowing that it's probably going to have to come back up and retest the VWAP or retest the 20. So
the market is bouncing at the VWAP, so
yeah, good. All right, man. Well, yeah. Be safe, and we'll talk soon.
You too. Take care.
All right, you too. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Oh. đi rồi. Nó xong rồi. Hả? Thứ sáu nó xong nhanh hơn, nó lên nhanh hơn. Anh lấy một chút xíu nữa xong, chút xíu nữa thôi. Đó, không có gì đâu, tại cần phải chú ý, phải Thì mình ngủ hả?
Đâu đợi em đó.
Tại lâu nữa.
Đâu à?
Cũng gần xong.
Nằm đây. Đâu?
nhắn tin cho thằng bạn em.
Muốn chứ.
Đang nhắn.
Tưởng chịu tôi không. Tụi em công bố. Tôi không.
Có nhìn mà.
Dạ đó cũng có tắt.
Đói.
Hôm nay bạn không ai nha. Không ai quay trang để hỏi trên Philippines.
Có đó. Hôm qua anh gửi hình đó.
Ủa hôm qua à?
Hôm qua anh gửi hình cho em coi.
Ủa sao anh vẫn đi chơi?
Làm về mệt quá anh không có đi.